Hey traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? That's that. Let's look at pound yen. I'm starting to see some little bit of clear roads. We're getting a little bit of structure here. Let's go out to the 4 hour. Let's start out here at the 4 hour. Alright, we got the L1, L7 cross. We broke above some nice support resistance here, the L7. Boom, boom, 3 tries, and then now we're over. Okay, so that as this L1 meanders, this green line over this L7, we're going to start having some nice probably looks of trades right around here. That's around the hour L7. That's under big figure. You can't really see that right now. We do have some tops here, 66-ish. So I think over 66 you're into clear roads anyway. We break the highs, then we pull back and get a touch. So we have to wait for something to happen on pound yen. So we see what we got to do for pound yen. We got to get a break over this level into the clear roads, and then the pattern's going to shape up there, and we got to take it then. That's the 4 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. It's a nice looking chart. Don't get me wrong. You're just right at the highs. You're right at the highs. Might be a nice breakout. Okay. So guys, if you have any questions, put them in the chat. Let's look at the 15-minute. You know, you just got these mountaintops. That's the only thing you got to deal with on pound yen. So going long here is just, you got that and that to break above. So, you know, I would rather break above it and then get in on the first pullback is what I would rather do. Or get it at the bottom of this area here where the bounces have been happening. So this white zone on the 15-minute. Let's see, let's zoom out. Okay, see, there's a nice level. If it got to 25, I'd be all over it, right? It's like a supreme combo, but on an hour. That's why I say the supreme combo and bounce trades are very similar, because this is also a bounce trade. It's an hour box. You know, 3-column roadblock. Doesn't have the 4th column there, but 3-column roadblock. 20 pips back to the 1. If that were to hit there now, you got 20 pips back to the 1-minute boxes. 25. If that were to hit there now, I would say that's a shoo-in. You got to do it. 5-minute L7. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. This pound yen looks like it's trying to break. I mean, the pound yen has got the best looking structure of anything right now. We got clear roads above. We got a stair-step pattern. All right, we're getting our higher highs here. Let me look at the 15-minute. So we're not ready to enter yet, though. You can see, right? We got mountaintops. Got a mountaintop here and a mountaintop here. So those have to be broken. Those are resistance. Okay. So resistance needs to be broken. What's the high here? That's 66. So it's got to break over 66 over this 3-column roadblock anyway. So we got to get this over 66 the price. Get these 1-minute boxes to move up. Get this 1-minute white zone expanding or close to it. So our white zone phase is 0 yet, still. No expansions yet. And then we can start thinking about going long pound yen. But until that happens, we don't really have much to do. There goes pound yen, guys. Looking much better here. Alright, so I'd almost say now at 66, remembers the high. That's the mountaintop. Let's look at 15. 15-minute chart. There it is. So this is what we got to deal with right now. And then beyond that, we're home free. Let's look at the hour chart. Yeah, after this, we're home free, guys. This is looking really nice. So, I mean, you could literally almost get in on a breakout entry, but you're too far away from the boxes. So I just let it break. Okay, we're getting over the highs now. And okay, we got new ISM news alert coming. 30 minutes there. All right, this is getting over the highs here. Here we go. It's moving. I'd say next pullback is good on these. All right, so definitely got the breakout on pound yen. Now, you could snap back this, actually. It's risky, but you got 20 pips back to the 1. I'm going to try a quick snapback. All right, I took a snapback. Against these two, we had almost 20 pips, but I only got a 74, 73 entry action. And I don't like going snapbacks too often because they're counter trend. I want to be long really from here, so I wouldn't mind taking the price to the 1-minute box. But it may not get there. In a strong market, it doesn't always make it down that far. Alright, looks like it's going dynamic now, so I think I'm going to get out of it. If it breaks above this bullish candle, I'm going to get out. Yeah, see there? I'm just going to bail. I mean, this is more of a dynamic. I want to go long here, actually. I thought we were going to get some more pips on that, but we didn't. And I'd rather be long on this. Clear roads. We've got our pullback. Remember, I said on the next pullback, we got to try it. Well, here we are. Okay, it is coming down. Ah, I should have stayed in. So we'll wait for a dynamic on pound yen, and we'll get in long. We've got a nice fresh breakout Well, that snapback, it ended up making it all the way to that. There's the target for the snapback. I didn't hold on to it, but that's, usually you want to hit the 1 minute box. Guys, I think I want to try this. I'm going to buy pound yen, guys. I'm in. Long. Alright, we're in a 1 minute trend here. We got clear roads to the upside. Some pound strength would be good. Any yen weakness would be good. Alright, let's go pound yen. Let's get one of them wild moves here. Alright, thanks Martin. Here we go. Alright, you know what? I may, because news coming up, we're at a 2 column. We've bounced here before. I'm just going to get it. I don't want it to go any lower. Alright, we're up near high here, so I took it. I mean, we probably could have got maybe 6, 7, 8 pips, but I just took the 5 pips on it. Like I said, we got news coming up in 8 minutes, and we got a mountaintop. So I just took the trade. A few pips here. Not crazy. Just kind of nibbling away right now. We're halfway to our target, 1%. So 10 more full position pips and we should be good. Okay, we got a 1 minute trend long alert. Now if I accept it, it'll only get in on a dynamic. So it's got to wait for a bullish 1 minute, then a break of that 1 minute. And I can always swipe it. So let's take it. Alright, accepted it. It's now saying ready. We see ready for entry here. Ready for entry is just like accepted alerts. Alright, let's see, 1 minute trend, we accepted the alert. Well, there's our close of the manual trade. We just got the alert now for pound yen. We accepted the alert, now it's waiting for a 1 minute bull candle, and then a break above that candle. Okay, we've got the bullish candle. We may get dynamic here. This is not the best spot for a dynamic, but we could get it. This is very close to entering right now. It just has to break this candle by 1 pip, and the high, it's at 76 point. There it is. Alright, so we're in on a 1 minute trend long. Now we really got to break the highs on this, so hopefully this news pushes us through. 5 minutes till the news. Alright, we need some risk on, so a good ISM number would be nice. We should get this news out here. It says 0, it's a minute behind, so it's really like, it means less than a minute is what that means. Less than a minute. So it came out a little bit lighter, but pretty close and better than previous at 41.5. So not bad. I mean, it was a little under. Looking for obviously the higher high on pound yen. Got to break these highs here on pound yen. If we get above these levels here into these clear rows, I mean, we're going to be doing pretty good. Let's go. Got to get above this 2 column roadblock. First stop. And then we got big figure pretty much. Nice candle. Very nice 1 minute candle there. I mean, we need 10 pips to get us our 2%, and then we still got the monster to close out. There's plus 7, 8. It's looking good. And once you get them clear roads, guys, it goes fast. We're at a 98. Keep it going. It shouldn't be done yet. We're just getting started here. Come on. Higher highs. This is as much as it. Okay, there's plus 9. It's really up 18 pips. What? How is that possible? Hang on, I gotta figure out what's going on here. Oh, did I go light on my 1 minute trends? I must have. I think I must have gone light on the 1 minute trends. I have to double check what's going on with that. I might close this. Pound dollar's still going up. And we got in at 78 on this trade. So it's really up 20 pips. Look at that. I forgot it's only half positions. Let me take 8 pips, I guess, or whatever this is. There we go. Come on. All right, I'm out. So it was really 16 pip trade. Why did I have the 1 minutes? 1 minute trend. Half position. That's okay. It's, it's a 1 minute trend. Maybe it's better that way. But man, that would have been a nice trade. It was up 16, 18, 19 pips. That was a nice trade. I've updated some of the settings here. I can see I put a bigger stop. That's why I did that. Okay, what do you got? Scott got 12 on that, 21 on the day. Perfect. Greg took 23 on that. Very nice, guys.